Let's make beef stew with my new Kosori pressure cooker. This is a 6-quart pressure cooker. It has so many functions. It can pressure cook, of course. It can cook rice, slow cook, sous vide, and so much more. It comes with a steam rack, a inner pot, a recipe book. Now let's cook our beef stew. Let's step on the gas. Let's go. First, add avocado oil in your inner pot. Saute your beef chunk on high until golden brown. Don't forget to season your meat. Remove your meat. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of shallot, 1 cup green bell pepper, 1 cup of tomato, 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup celery, 1 cup green onion, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, a bunch of parsley. Adding 6 ounces of tomato paste, cook till translucent. Bring back your meat. Adding all your favorite seasoning. Adding 4 cup beef broth. Cover. Press stew 45 minutes and stop and let it do its thing. Ready, serve and enjoy. Enjoy over rice. Wow, this is possibly bossing. Oh, sorry, live life tastefully.